Hi everyone, and welcome to today's journey through the cosmos. We're about to embark on an exciting exploration of how spacecraft navigate through the vast expanse of space, dodging the myriad of space junk that orbits our planet. Have you ever wondered how spacecraft manage to dodge space junk whirling around Earth at thousands of miles per hour? It's a fascinating and complex process that involves cutting-edge technology and precise calculations. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of space debris and the incredible measures taken to keep our satellites and astronauts safe. From advanced tracking systems to innovative protective measures, there's a lot to uncover. First off, what exactly is space junk? It's not just random trash floating around, it's a serious issue that poses significant risks to space missions. Space debris, or space junk, refers to defunct satellites, spent rocket stages, and fragments from disintegration, erosion, and collisions. These pieces can range from tiny paint flecks to large defunct satellites, all traveling at incredibly high speeds. With millions of pieces of debris orbiting Earth, the risk of collision is real and ever-present. Even a small piece of debris can cause significant damage due to the high velocities involved. Now, how do spacecraft avoid these potentially catastrophic encounters? It's a combination of advanced technology, precise calculations, and sometimes a bit of luck. It all starts with tracking. Without knowing where the debris is, it's impossible to avoid it. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency use advanced radar systems and telescopes to monitor space debris. These systems are constantly scanning the skies, tracking thousands of objects in real time. This network of sensors provides crucial data on the size, orbit, and speed of debris, helping predict potential collisions. The data is then analyzed to determine the likelihood of a collision and to plan avoidance maneuvers if necessary. So, what happens when a piece of debris is headed straight for a spacecraft? This is where the real-time decision-making and advanced technology come into play. This is where things get really high-tech. The spacecraft's onboard systems take over, using the data provided by ground-based monitoring to make split-second decisions. Most modern spacecraft are equipped with something known as the Collision Avoidance Maneuver System. This system is designed to autonomously adjust the spacecraft's trajectory to avoid collisions. Using the data from ground-based monitoring, onboard computers calculate the probability of collision and can autonomously decide to adjust the spacecraft's orbit. These adjustments are often minute but crucial, ensuring the spacecraft steers clear of danger. These maneuvers are precisely timed to ensure that the spacecraft avoids debris by sometimes as little as a few meters. It's a delicate dance that requires precision and accuracy. But avoiding debris isn't always about big, dramatic dodges. It's also about protection. Spacecraft are designed with multiple layers of defense to withstand impacts from smaller debris. Many spacecraft are equipped with Whipple shields. These shields are layers of protective material designed to absorb and break apart smaller debris before it can damage the main body of the spacecraft. These shields act like a bulletproof vest, dispersing the energy of the impact and preventing serious damage. It's a simple yet effective way to protect vital equipment. Think of it as a bulletproof vest, but for space. These protective measures are essential for the longevity and safety of our space missions. Despite these technologies, the growing amount of space junk continues to be a challenge. As more satellites are launched, the risk of collisions increases, making it more important than ever to find solutions. This is why there's also a significant effort in developing technologies for debris removal, which could be crucial for the future of space travel and satellite operations. From robotic arms to nets and harpoons, various methods are being tested to clean up space. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember that there's a complex ballet happening right above you, with spacecraft gracefully twirling and dodging through a cloud of space debris. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of exploration. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic insights. Stay curious and keep looking up at the stars.